Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel It's Web Studios. I'm Mitesh and today I will show you how to secure your WordPress website from hackers. Whether you are running a small blog or online store, these practical steps will harden your site and protect your users. So let's get started. First one, we will understand that why do hackers hack our website. Before we secure the website, let's understand why hackers do it. Knowing their motive will help you prioritize defenses. First one, that can obtain your credit card information for fraud or resell on black markets. He can steal your contact information to sell. Emails and phone numbers are valuable to spammer and unethical marketers. Username and password to access your server resources and admin panels. Malvertising, injecting ads or spam that gets shown to your visitors or subscribers. SEO spam, attackers add spammy pages or links to boost other sites or to mask phishing pages. Other classified information, any business data, client files or proprietary content that can be monetized. Now, next necessary steps to secure your WordPress website. Here are the fundamentals you must implement. I will explain each one and why it matters. First one is use SSL. That force always HTTPS. SSL encrypts data between users and your site. Essential for login and payments. Most hosting services like Hostinger, SiteGround, Bluehost, BigRock, and GoDaddy that provide free SSL certificates, and you can enable it in your hosting. If your hosting services don't provide SSL certificates, then also you can enable it by using any plugin like Real Simple Security plugins. Change the login URL. By default, login URL are the first thing to attackers try. Moving the login page to custom slug reduce automated attackers. And my suggestion is to don't change anything in your core file. You can change login URL by plugin like WPS, Hide Login, All-in-One Login, and when login URL changes. HTTP security headers. Your website is secure or not by HTTP headers that you can check by visiting website securityheaders.com. Here you can see the details. Headers add a layer of protection. Useful headers includes strict transport security, XPREM option, X content time option, referrer policy, content security policy. These security headers you can set by manually writing code to htaccess file or wp-config file, or you can use plugin like also HTTP header and really simple security plugins. Now next, folder and file permission. So you always use save permission, typically 755 for all directories and 644 for all files. Protect your wp-config.php file with strict permission like 600 permission or 440 permission. Don't set any file or folder to 777. That's very big risk. Any hackers can inject code by that file. Now next, disallow or moderate comments. Turn off your comment if you don't need them. If you keep comment, enable moderation use and reCAPTCHA and block URL heavy spam. Comment spam can open indirect attack vectors. And always keep your WordPress version, themes and plugins files to be updated. Use strong and unique password. And enable two-factor authentication for admin users. For that, you can install any plugins like WP2FA, two-factor authentication for WordPress. Always backup your WordPress website by manually or using plugin like Updraft, All-in-One Migration and Backup Buddy. Monitor logs and enable alerts. For that purpose, you can install any plugin like WP Activity Log or Activity Log plugin. Install any security plugins like Sucuri Software, WordFence, iTheme Security. Now, first one is Sucuri. So Sucuri is a cloud-based security platform focused on monitoring, firewall and malware cleanup. Next is WordFence. WordFence is an on-site security plugin with built-in firewall and scanner and login protection. iTheme Security. iTheme Security focus on hardening WordPress and locking down common vulnerabilities. Change login URL, limit login attempts, and enforce strong password. File change detection, database backup, and away mode for the admin. Security hardening checks and brute force protection. You can install any plugin. Now security is ongoing. Update, monitoring, backup and strong credential are your best defense. Use a firewall, enable 2FA, limit login attempts and keep backup of your site. If you follow these steps, you will stop 90% of the common attacks. If this video helped you, then hit like and subscribe to Hits Web Studios for more WordPress tips and comment below which security plugins you prefer. I will pin the best tips in the comments.